So as soon as you put that power cord in, it's all up and running on its own. But then this wheel right here, there we go. So
This
this
is
wheel,
like filament or what's it?
yes, this
filament.
is the filament.
Mm-hmm.
So when this wheel comes off, all you have to do basically is, and if you want, you can come look right here. So what you do is you unroll it, and then you eventually feed it into this white tube there, and then just kind of give it a roll.
Oh, can blend
Correct.
between red and white.
Well, no.
No.
I don't think so, at least. Maybe if you ran out of filament in between, like while you were doing a print.
Yeah.
But it might not be the best idea because it might mess up somehow, like how the filament runs through this. But I'm not sure. That would be a Rabia or Jim or Carrie question. So once you feed it through there, you can stick this back on. Somewhere. And you stuck.
This is the plate for the object that finish or what is?
Sorry.
This is the plate for object that finish.
Yes. So, eventually, if when you hit start and it starts whatever print job, they will line up on that. And then I think the blue, it's almost like tape like material. It's not adhesive, so the filament dries to it quickly. But yeah, okay. So when you feed that into here, what happens then? And it might not do it this time because it's already fed through, but you'll pull it through here, and then you see at the top here, there's this little hole that it goes into. So before you feed this into it, you might see like kind of the remnants of the other filament that was used if you're switching them. Kind of like how in a hot glue gun, you have to like push the very last bits of the glue through the gun to start a new stick. It's the same kind of deal. So when you get it lined up in here, what you do is you press this button, filament, and then so it says cut.
The filament move?
No, because right now it's already kind of fed in there. So in the case that, well, maybe give me 2 seconds.
Okay.
I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what it would look like if you had to replace it with a new. It's close to you actually. So,
This is the filament is kind like a plastic.
yes.
Oh yes.
Yes. It's plastic that has been hardened and then melts down so it can be reshaped.
Oh,
and then,
reshape and then dry
and then
again.
it firms up, yes. So, filament is cut, and then you'll press next here, and then what will happen is this box starts to heat up.
Yeah.
So that the filament melts, and then once it gets all the way up there, it'll melt this bad boy, and we can push through the rest of this and then start a new stream. Takes